It's the final day of Drive for History right here at Wheels Through Time. We wanted to thank each and every one of you for contributing to help make this summer's online event a huge success. Over the past several months, we've had the opportunity to fire up and share the history of several of the rarest and most historic motorcycles anywhere in the world. Now here at Wheels Through Time, there's over 350 all-American made machines dating back to the beginning of motorcycle history. Prototypes, experimentals, factory racers and national championship bikes, original paint machines and one-of-a-kinds, perhaps none more important than our annual raffle bike. That's right, you can win this 1939 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead coming up November 14th. Now I'm going to get to the details of the motorcycle and how you can get your tickets today in just a few short minutes, but first I wanted to tell you a little bit about the history of the Wheels Through Time raffle. In 2002, when our curator and founder, my dad, Dale Wachsler, relocated the museum to Maggie Valley, he created the annual raffle as a way to help sustain museum operations. It's only through the museum's annual raffle that we're able to build new exhibits, enhance the overall museum experience for our visitors, and bring one-of-a-kind exclusive content to you. To date, we've given away 18 hand-built motorcycles and welcomed each of their new owners to the Wheels Through Time family. In just a few short months, this 1939 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead is undoubtedly going to change somebody's life. As I mentioned earlier, each of these machines are hand-built right in the Wheels Through Time restoration shop. I want to take a little bit of time to tell you exactly what makes this machine so special. In 1939, Harley-Davidson produced just under 2,700 Model ELs. The Model EL, based right here around the engine, 61 cubic inch high compression overhead valve motor made to do a 4-speed transmission wrapped in Harley-Davidson's classic cradle frame. Literally one of the machines that helped redefine the American motorcycle industry. We've got over 250 hours into the restoration of this machine, finished it out in black with ivory panels and Harley-Davidson's classic 36-9 logo. It doesn't get much better than this when it comes to Harley-Davidson Knuckleheads. Now, a bike like this, easy to start, easy to ride. This one's dialed in and ready for the road, ready for you to take it home. I'm going to take you through the starting procedure on this piece. Easy machine to start. Check it out over on this side. First thing we do is turn the fuel on. There's a fuel shut-off tap right here on the tank. You unscrew it, lift it. We've got a choke right over on this side. So choke is down. We'll give it a couple prime kicks. Should be one to go with the ignition. As you guys can hear, this thing is running tops. It's dialed in and ready for your garage. November 14th, somebody's going to take home the grand prize. Second prize, $10,000. Third prize is $5,000. Make sure you guys get in on our annual raffle, wheelsthroughtime.com or driveforhistory.com. Get your tickets today. It's one of the best ways to support Wheels Through Time Museum. Guys, that's all for Drive for History. Thanks for tuning in all summer. We'll see you next time.